Hello and welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel, all the KCET 2026 champions. So today I am going to KCET and COMEDK champions. So basically I am going to tell you top 20 colleges for data sciences in Karnataka through KCET as well as COMEDK. Okay, not only KCET but COMEDK as well, and also for reference I will also show you their CS cutoffs. Okay, CS cutoffs, I found that there is one college who does not have CS, and one more important thing, that the colleges that I am going to cover in this list where the seats are available for both KCET as well as COMEDK. There are some colleges available exclusively for KCET. Those colleges are not covered in the list. And when I have prepared the list, I have taken the rank order, or the priority list was based on COMEDK ranking. KCET ranking can be plus and minus, okay, but COMEDK, because obviously we are including COMEDK along with KCET for the first time in our channel for 2026 batch, so that's why I have taken the priority. So you might say, sir, this college is given in rank 20, this should be in rank 2. It might be based on KCET ranking. Obviously I am not doubting that, but remember the priority list was given based on the 4th round cutoff for COMEDK only. Okay, so do not mention in the comment section coming, sir, this RNSIT college should be in 2nd rank or this CMRIT college should be in the 1st rank. Yes, they might be, but as I mentioned, 4th round cutoff for AIDS for these colleges I have considered and sorted them. I have to sort them in based on something, right? So that's why COMEDK AIDS cutoff was my benchmark to sorting them out. And as I mentioned, for your reference, I have also added CS cutoff as and when possible, right? Now before I start, I just want to tell you, if you study AIDS, what are all the companies that might hire you? That is the major thing. Is AIDS good for me? If AIDS is a good branch, or should I choose CSE, or should I choose AIML, or should I go down 5 colleges below and take some other course, AIML or CS, or I go up and I choose AIDS, one of the top colleges? So that is the question, right? Obviously CS, if you want to take CS in one of the top colleges, you may not get that. You have to go down for CS. If you take AIDS, maybe with the same rank, you might get into the top colleges. So let us give you that idea, that the companies like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Amazon, Accenture, EY, Infosys, JP Morgan Chase, TCS, Wipro, Zoho, and PwC, they all hire AIDS engineer. AIDS is one of the it was OG before AIML, right? So I won't say OG, it was hyped, it was more hyped before AIML. When AIML came, everyone is running after AIML, this is the new branch, but computer science, data science was one of the most hired engineering branch few years back. Okay, now obviously demand has reduced. There are a lot of engineers are already working for AIDS, but remember that there are always required data engineers, data scientists. So that's why will be always some demand for this branch. Okay, so even if you study data science, you will get a good job, so don't worry. And these companies are hiring data engineers continuously. They always look for new data engineers, data scientists, right? So that is very, very important. So don't worry, if you are choosing AIDS or normal DS, you will always be getting jobs. Now what are the job roles? Research scientist, data scientists, AI architect, obviously AIDS is there, so AI architect can also be there. Natural language processing engineers, you will also get computer vision engineer, you will get robotics engineer. Robotics is basically a combination of multiple AI, data sciences. Obviously robots work on data as well, so the data that you feed in. So data engineer are also required for robotics as well. So all these job roles is possible if you choose AIDS or DS. Right? So basically in this, some of the colleges, most of the colleges actually offer only data science, some of the colleges offer AIDS, and one of them offer both AIDS as well as DS. Okay, so if you start with our rank list, obviously there is no surprise here. The top college here is RV College of Engineering, Bangalore, and if you see their cutoff for 2025 last round. All the cutoffs are final round. For KCET it is third round, for COMEDK it is fourth round. That is important. Okay, so RV College CSE KCET cutoff was 499. COMEDK cutoff was 692. So you can take the decision, okay, if I am getting a college based on my cutoff on KCET, why should I choose COMEDK? Obviously COMEDK has higher fees. Similarly, if I am getting a college on COMEDK, higher college in COMEDK rank cutoff, and KCET I am getting 3-4 colleges down, then I should choose COMEDK, right? For top colleges, obviously you can always take that gamble and choose higher colleges if your COMEDK rank is suitable. So for CSE, KCET rank was 499, COMEDK rank was 692. AID, normal data science, computer science and data science, for KCET the cutoff was 944, and surprisingly in COMEDK the cutoff was lower than KCET and it was 890. Okay, so these kind of things might also happen. Usually COMEDK ranks are higher than KCET ranks, so that is evident in the first option. 499, 692, but here KCET 944, here it is 890, right? Next college is MS Ramaiah Institute. Here CSE cutoff was 2076, COMEDK cutoff is 1667. Again another exception. MSRIT offer AIDS. Okay, and for them KCET cutoff was 4160, COMEDK cutoff was 3422. So both cases COMEDK wins. Now if you move on to the third college, BMS College of Engineering Bangalore, so they offer AIDS as well as DS. Okay, and as I mentioned, the colleges that I am mentioning over here, they offer seats both KCET and COMEDK and have AIDS branch. Okay, this is not about CS cutoff. AIDS or DS branch should be there and they should offer seats on both KCET and COMEDK. Now if you see BMS College of Engineering, KCET rank was 3870, COMEDK rank was 5312 as expected. Now AIDS for KCET was 4646, COMEDK cutoff was 5885. Okay, so both numbers are very funny. 4646, 5885, right? Computer science and engineering data science, again 4585, and COMEDK was 5610. So if you see that data science branch is better than AIDS branch for BMS College in terms of cutoff. Right? Now let's move on to the fourth college, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore. So CSE branch cutoff was 6584, COMEDK cutoff was 7819. Data science cutoff for KCET was 7565, COMEDK cutoff was 8322. So these are the cutoffs for KCET and COMEDK. So generally KCET goes lower, COMEDK goes little higher, except for MSRIT. Okay, Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So here CSE cutoff is 8157, COMEDK cutoff was 15770. Computer science and engineering data science, normal data science 10,993, COMEDK 13,221. Next CMRIT. So here computer science was 43,286 and COMEDK cutoff was 26,223. I think maybe there is a mistake. I need to check it once more, this value. For data science, the cutoff was 19,071. For AIDS, the cutoff was 20,870. For COMEDK, normal data science 2952, and for AIDS it was 36,348. I need to check the data once more for this particular college. Now Sir M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology, Yelahanka, Bangalore, CSE cutoff was 19,216, COMEDK cutoff was 36,563. Data science cutoff was 21,659, COMEDK cutoff was 37,806. What about the next college? most of your favorite college, RNSIT. CSC cutoff was 14,842. So its cutoff was lower than some of the other colleges. COMEDK 42,678. Data Science 18,100. COMEDK 48,497. Geetam deemed to be University Dodaballapur. Here CSC cutoff for Geetam was 67,896. COMEDK cutoff was 32,484. So surprisingly, this is very popular in COMEDK. Data Science 71,149. COMEDK 53,533. Global Academy of Technology Raja Rajeshwari Nagar, Bangalore. CSC cutoff was 29,774 in KCET. COMEDK it was 1,10,697. So as you can see, this college is more popular in KCET than in COMEDK. Right? AIDS 32,187. This branch AIDS for Geetam is very popular. It is 55,758. Reva University Yelahanka, CSC for KCET 19,283. They do not have a COMEDK admission last year for CSC. Okay, data is not available for Reva for COMEDK. Check with the college if they are having any COMEDK seats for CSC this year. Okay, AIDS 22,888. COMEDK 61,900. Next, Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management, Kanakpura Road. CSC cutoff was 20,616 for KCET, 58,956 for COMEDK. Now for Data Science, KCET cutoff was 24,000, COMEDK 68,369. So this college is very popular in KCET, not so popular in COMEDK. So if you want to study this college and you have a decent COMEDK rank, you can go for COMEDK. Next, PES College, Mandya. This is not the main college, main campus is not part of the COMEDK, but Mandya is part of COMEDK. CSC cutoff was 34,433 for KCET, 82,113 for COMEDK. Data Science 43,599 for KCET, 71,221 for COMEDK. Next, GSS Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women, Mysore. So this is a women specific college. CSC cutoff for KCET was 21,447, COMEDK 54,607. AIDS 28,041 for COMEDK 74,720. So if you are a girl and if you want to study from this college and who have a decent COMEDK rank, you can check this college out, because obviously you can see their rank difference, right? So with a very high COMEDK rank, you can still get into the college, but you for KCET rank you need to have a very low rank. So check your ranks before applying. Next, Akash Institute of Engineering and Technology, Devanahalli, Bangalore Rural. So they only have AIDS, they do not have any CS branch. At least till last year, maybe they have changed. Check this year as well. So AIDS for KCET was 24,987.5 2,49,000, my mistake, 2,49,873 for COMEDK 84,613. So if you want to study from this college, go via KCET route. Okay, COMEDK can be little more expensive. Cambridge Institute of Technology, Kerpuram, Bangalore. CSC cutoff was 31,213. COMEDK cutoff was 77,553. Data Science KCET was 89,248. COMEDK 85,816. So this college CSC branch appears to be better than DS. Okay, but COMEDK cutoff was very close. KCET cutoff was very, very far off. Next, Presidency University Yelahanka. So here CSC cutoff was 48,520. COMEDK cutoff was 1,89,026. Computer science cutoff was 52,380. COMEDK cutoff was 1,02,072. So this college again slightly popular in KCET than in COMEDK. Acharya Institute of Technology, Bangalore, CSC cutoff was 27,446. COMEDK cutoff was 1,09,781. Computer science, data science 30,348. COMEDK 1,03,486. So again, this college is much popular in KCET than in COMEDK, right? So you have to consider that as well. Next, CMR University, Bagalur, Chalagatti, Bangalore, CSC cutoff was 43,286. COMEDK cutoff was 1,09,536. Data science cutoff was 45,752. COMEDK cutoff was 1,03,547. Again, this college is much more popular in KCET compared to COMEDK. Last, Atria Institute of Technology, Hebbal. So here KCET cutoff was for CSC 44,146, COMEDK 99,556. AIDS KCET cutoff was 47,261. COMEDK cutoff was 1,05,457. So again, this college is much more popular in KCET compared to COMEDK. So I hope this will basically give you an understanding that if I have both KCET and COMEDK rank, based on this rank, if I want to study CSC or AIDS, CSC was actually a bonus. This video was supposed to be only on AIDS for KCET and COMEDK. So I just wanted to give you an idea that how CSC cutoff looks like for these colleges. That's why I have included CSC cutoff in this video as well. So I hope that this information helps you a lot, and if you feel that obviously we are helping you, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like so that we get inspiration to make more videos, and obviously we will be back with more counseling videos, and for that, till then, bye.